Morning, everyone. My name is Julius Simondo from Base IT R1. My reflection about University Week was a memorable and time-filled, meaningful experience for me. It was the time filled with celebration, camaraderie, and school spirit. These week-long activities from academic competition, cultural performances, give us the chance to showcase our talent but with fellow students across different departments. One of the highlights for me was insert specific event you enjoyed like the concert, sport fest, or talent show. It was inspiring to see students come together, not just to compete, but also to support and cheer each other. I felt a strong sense of unity and pride in being part of university. Aside from the fun university also reminded me for importance or balance while we enjoy the festivities. We also remind aware of our responsibilities as students. I appreciated how the events were organized in a way that allowed us to participate without disrupting our academic priorities too much. Overall, university weeks strengthened my love for my school and me appreciate the vibrant community we are part of it, reminding me that learning doesn't only happen inside the classroom, it also comes from shared experiences, teamwork, and celebrating we are celebrating university. Thank you.